Good morning, everybody. This is Bradley here. Today is Monday, April 11th, 2022. Current time is now 9:59. Just about a minute before they get ready to sound the Sirens test here in Wert. Because every Monday morning we have our siren test. If there's any inclement weather, they don't do the sirens. It's 9:59 a.m. Just about a minute before 10. We got current temperature is now 61 degrees under I'd say partly sunny to mostly cloudy. We are supposed to get some showers and thunderstorms by later today, according to the National Weather Service from northern Indiana. Look, there they go! Yep, it's 10 o'clock, folks. Got those sirens. Yep, the civil defense emergency sirens are going off here in town. But this is not a warning, it's just a test. There you go, folks. We just had the siren test of Monday morning of April 11th, 2022. Yes, folks, Wert, Ohio does their civil defense emergency siren test every Monday morning at 10 a.m. If there's a holiday or any due to inclement weather, including severe weather, they don't sound the sirens, just in case if there's rain or thunderstorms in the area. But they do sound off just in case if we have any actual severe weather, including a tornado warning, just in case if we have possible of a tornado sighted or a tornado has been confirmed on the ground, if it's been detected by Doppler radar or has been detected by a storm spotter or a storm chaser. Yes, everybody, sirens are really important to us. They really have to help us in case if we have an actual emergency that might threat to the people here in Wert, here to our country, and also for the ones around the world. Just in case if we have like an actual of civil emergency warnings, tornado sightings, and flash flooding, even hurricanes and any severe weather events. Like I said, folks, if you hear sirens in your area, if they go off for a test or warning, don't worry, folks. A siren can help you to alert people outside just in case there any possible chance for that severe weather might be imminent. When it comes to severe thunderstorms with damaging winds, large hail, or even possible for tornadoes. Just remember, sirens can help us in case we have an actual emergencies. That might hurt us here in the United States and also around the world. Alright, well, folks, I hope you're really enjoying that siren test. I'll see if I get more soon, okay? Hope you all subscribe to my channel. Give it a like, give it a comment what you think about the trains, think about the sirens. So stay tuned for more trains and more videos of weather and sirens soon, okay? And I'll see if I get more soon, okay? Hope you all subscribe to my channel. Give it a like, give it a comment what you think about them. And make sure all those railroad weather spotters, you all stay safe. And I'll just make sure I'll get an update from the National Weather Service and find out if about those thunderstorms once again on Wednesday, because we might get some severe ones maybe on Wednesday. But I'll see what it is for right now. If it's too early to find out, I'll let you all know if I get the latest update from the National Weather Service office in Northern Indiana. Alright, well, you all be careful out there, and all those railroad and weather spotters, you always stay safe. Alright, thank you. Alright, bye.